Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows audio service needs restart at login to get the sound back, then please watch this video. So this is directly related to the Windows audio service, so you will target the audio service first. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows audio service and then right click on it and then select properties and then select dependencies. You'll find the dependencies related services, the procedure entry call one and the audio endpoint builder one. So these have to be on. I'll tell you something about the remote procedure call service. If this was off, so many of them would be off, but you can check it for them. Next one is to go to the general tab. Make sure that the startup type is automatic. Click on start, apply. Okay, very important. So you have basically done the second point too, that you have manually restarted the audio service. Next one is to roll back or the update the audio drivers. Now usually you won't be able to roll them back, but here's what you can do. Search for device manager and then expand the list for audio drivers. Right click on the first driver, select update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Update drivers and search automatically for drivers. Next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And the last one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. How would you do that? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.